Listen, Jumpman, this Donkey Kong Jr. thing has been a PR nightmare. You put a giant ape in a tiny cage. You try to kill a baby monkey. PETA is blowing a cartridge. You need an image overhaul. We need you fighting something less human. Something nobody likes. Turtles.
People like turtles.
Polls actually suggest that a majority of the 18 to 35 male demo would stomp the life out of a turtle if given the opportunity. Also, they think carpenters are a little too Jesus-y, so you're a plumber now.
I don't know the first thing about plumbing.
Plumbers test well. Buy a plunger. You still dating that Pauline girl?
Yeah, things are getting pretty serious. I'm probably going to
Don't propose. Break it off. You need to be with a celebrity. I'm thinking royalty, duchess or higher. I represent a princess I think would be perfect for you.
A princess, eh?
Great. Now that your love life is squared away, we need to start talking family. People don't want to buy video games starring an only child. How about a brother? You got a brother? You do now. Meet Luigi.
It is an absolute honor to have this opportunity.
He sounds nothing like me.
I'm a Luigi.
Oh, the guy's a total pro. He can turn on the Italian shit like an embarrassing dad at the Olive Garden.
You told me to hide my ethnicity. I changed my name to Jumpman, for Christ's sake.
What's your real name again?
Mario.
I love it. Change it back. Italians are super hot right now, and you lose 30 pounds and grow 10 inches or get the f*** out of my office!